everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. Today I would like to start out the beginner series with a very basic, simple video talking to you and explaining to you a basic routine of your skincare application. That is the most common question that I get from my clients. They come in, they say, Tiffany, I bought all this skincare and I have no idea how to apply it, in which order it should be applied to the face. So it's very, very, very simple, but when you have all of these products sitting in front of you, it's just very hard to know where to start. So what I like to do is I like to start out by separating my skincare into two different categories. Of course, your morning routine and then your night routine. In the morning, I like to start out, that is my protection phase of my skincare. So in the morning, all I'm going to focus on is protecting my skin. First of all, I don't have a lot of time in the morning. You know, we have things to do. We have work, we have places to go, things to take care of. So I like to make sure that that skincare routine is very small. Also, I know 95% of the time I'm going to be wearing makeup that day. So I don't want any of my products to interfere with my makeup application. So what I do in the morning, it is going to depend on your skin type, what you're going to do. The first thing that I do, I have dry skin, so I don't even fully cleanse my skin. I don't use a cleanser on my skin in the morning. I use a warm water and I just splash it on my face, and then I proceed with the rest of my products. Now, if you have oily skin or acne skin, you are going to want to use a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type or skin conditions that you're having to deal with. We will get more into routines for specific skin types later on in the beginner series. At this point, I want you guys to know what order you should be applying your skincare. So cleanser first, whether it be just warm water, whether it be, a cleanser for oily skin, acne skin, aging skin, dry skin, just cleanse, whichever way is appropriate. The next step is going to be you're going to start out with your protection now, okay? Now is going to come any serums that you use in the morning, okay? Now, the first serums that you use, if you have multiple, are going to be your water-based serums. And I have an example right here for you guys. This is the serum that I use in the morning. This is loaded with antioxidants, okay? Antioxidants protect your skin from free radicals, the pollution, things in the environment. The thing to keep in mind about antioxidants is your most common, these are not the only one, but the most common antioxidants that you find in skincare are vitamins A, C, and E. Remember ACE. It will get you through it. There are many more, but those are your most common and most studied antioxidants. So you can see here that this serum, first of all, it is clear. You can see the fluid kind of running around in there. It is fluid. And when we take out this little dropper, you can see just how, let me see if I can get a little drop to come out here, just how watery that is. It just drips, This one is a little thicker than some of them maybe, but you always want to go to the thinnest all the way to the thickest, okay? So most of the time you can tell by the color. If it is completely clear, that one goes on first, and it will get more and more opaque, okay, until you get all the way up to a very thick cream, okay? I do not choose to wear Even though I have dry skin, I do not choose to wear a very thick cream in the daytime because I know that I'm going to have makeup going on my face. I live in South Louisiana. The humidity is real down here. So I do not choose to use a thick cream because the thicker the cream, the more oily the base is of the cream. I steer clear. I don't want my makeup dripping down my chin. So, antioxidants after cleanser. Then we're going to go in, and if you need to do any hydration, okay, after the serums comes our hydration. Okay, so that is going to be a gel moisturizer. Many companies are starting to do the hydrogel. I think Neutrogena even has one out now that's over the counter. We're going to do that step next. Lightweight moisturizer. That's what I choose. Then after your lightweight moisturizer, you must wear SPF. It does not matter what your skin type is. It doesn't matter what your skin tone is. There is a lot of misconceptions these days that I continuously hear that, oh, if I have dark skin, I don't need an SPF. That is completely false. Yes, the more melanin that you have in your skin, the more naturally protected your skin is. But it doesn't mean that it is 100% protected. You need to be wearing a sunscreen. You will thank me when you're 50. I promise. So wear your SPF. Now, your percentage of your SPF, you see the 15 SPF, the 30, the 35, the 40, the 50, the 60. That all depends on how fair or how dark you are, or how long you are going to, and how intense the sun is when you're outside, okay? If you have a job and you sit at a desk all day, well then no, you won't need an SPF 50. Anywhere from a 15 to a 35, depending on your skin color, is suitable. That's fine. But if you're going to be out and about and you're going down the river this weekend, please put your SPF 50 on and keep reapplying it every 2 hours. It's a real thing. We have a lot of outdoor things, here. Like I said, going down the river, going to the beach, going here, going there. And I see the most clients with hyperpigmentation. And hyperpigmentation is one of the most difficult skin conditions to treat. It is so much better to just protect yourself from it, and then you don't have to worry about treating it and correcting it later. So please wear your SPF. So after I am done with my SPF, I'm done. That's it. My morning routine is over. I have 3 steps and I'm out I'm doing my makeup, we'll get into the makeup and the primers and things like that in a different video. I just really want to focus on the skincare for today. Now, it's time for night, okay? I've got a full face of makeup on. So this is going to be my treatment stage. My nighttime is my treatment stage of my skincare. So first of all, we're going to start out by cleansing our face, okay? I use a oil to take off my makeup. I use waterproof, eyeliner. I use waterproof mascara. And 9 times out of 10, I have a long wear foundation on. So it's going to take something pretty good to get off my makeup for the day. I choose to use an oil. This is rosehip seed oil. I love rosehip seed oil for so many factors. it is all, rosehip seed oil is not only very emollient, but it doesn't clog the pores. That we'll talk about oils. I'm going to do a whole video on oils. I have a lot to say about oils. But it doesn't clog the pore, and it also has natural antioxidants in rosehip seed oil as well. So I really like that. So I just take my little rosehip seed oil and I take the dropper and I drop it on the end of my fingers. I rub my fingers gently together, and the first place I go is my eyes. I want to be able to melt off all that mascara, all the eyeliner. Then I'll take and run my hands under the warm water, and I'll take another 2 droppers of it and do the same thing. And then I will pat that all over my face and rub it all in, okay? It looks a hot mess. I'm gray from my forehead to my chin, but it works so well. Then after that, I will go in with my cleanser. And you use the cleanser, like I said, that is suitable for your skin type. These I have here are from Image Skincare, a skincare company that I have built my career around. Wonderful products from this company. But you don't have to use that. Use something that is suitable for your skin type, that you enjoy using, that works well, that you can afford. Okay, and the next step that I go to after all this is over, this is when I'm going to use any type of scrub. Now, I don't use a scrub on my face every night. And it depends on your skin concerns, you know, whether you're going to use a scrub every night. Even as dry and flaky as my skin is, I still don't use it every night. So I don't see where anyone else would need to. I go in with a scrub. These are 2 that I enjoy using. One is from Image, one is from Neutrogena. And I scrub my skin. Like I said, not every night. After I'm done with that, I'm going to rinse that off. And then here comes the real treatment stage of my skincare. All of these products are serums, okay? I don't use all of these every night, but I just want you to see that, you know, they come different bottles, different colors, everything. How are we supposed to figure out what to use? Look at all this, okay? Same principle. We're gonna go thickest to thinnest. We're gonna go clear to solid. Okay? Clear to opaque. Here it is right here. Okay? So these here are clear. These here are opaque. So the difference between these 3, well, actually, let's start out with these 2. Okay? They're exactly the same consistency. So you pick one. It doesn't really matter. It just all depends on what your choice is. Now this one, you can see that it is in a darker bottle. And this product is in, even though it's very liquidy, you will have to sometimes touch the product to feel the consistency. I can feel that this one is slightly oilier. You can kind of rub it between your fingers. This one goes after water. These are water-based. Feel it with your finger. If you have any questions of if it is water or oil-based, this will tell you. Okay, so we're putting that on. All right, now these 2 here. Let me squirt out a little bit of this so I can show you. You can see that is white on my finger. That is completely opaque. These are going to go next, okay? Then we're going to follow that up with our night cream. There it is. Any type of lotion, any type of night cream. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is what is going to be our final step. So that wraps it up. I mean, it's very simple, but it's very overwhelming. You know, even though it may seem simple to me, of course it's simple. But when you are, and I understand, when you are just, you know, a regular old girl, you know, or man trying to take care of your skin, and you have an esthetician, or you have a dermatologist, or, you know, you're just in Walmart and you're like, okay, let's pick this up and try it out. And you get it all home and you're like, okay, yeah, it all sounds good, but what do I do with it? You know, sometimes you just need a little help to to figure it all out. And you know, that's why I'm here. You know, I want to be able to share the information that I have learned in the past 8 years, and I want everybody to have the opportunity to, you know, to learn and to understand and to take care of their skin. It does not matter, you know, your age. It doesn't matter how much money you make. I think good skincare is for everyone. And it doesn't matter if it comes from, you know, a spa brand or a dermatologist, because this is a medical grade. Doesn't matter if it comes from a dermatologist or from an esthetician or from Walmart. You know, we all should be taking every advantage that we can to take care of our skin. I mean, you know, I always tell everyone, your skin is the largest organ of your entire body, and it is an organ that you cannot have a transplant. So you get what you get. You better take care of it, you know. So if you guys have any further questions about skincare routines, please don't hesitate to comment, you know, in the comment section at the bottom of the video. I hope that I have been able to explain things well enough to where you understand, but like, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. I also would like, you know, if you guys have learned something, enjoyed watching, please like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. We have lots more of videos like this to come in the beginner series. I am looking forward to, you know, to really getting in here and giving y'all a routine for oily skin and for acne skin and for dry skin and for aging skin. There is a lot of marketing things that are going on in the skincare industry that I would like to talk to you guys about and inform you. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.